State Police has issued an Amber Child Abduction alert for the Binghamton City Police Department, New York. Binghamton City Police Department is searching for Autumn Collis, a white female, age 8, 3 foot 6 inches tall, green eyes, red hair, last seen wearing a maroon shirt with blue jeans. And Evelyn Collis, a white female, age 8, 3 foot 6 inches tall, gray eyes, blonde hair, last seen wearing a gray sweatshirt and denim jeans. Both Autumn and Evelyn were last seen at 5:30 p.m. on I-81 southbound within the city of Binghamton, traveling towards Pennsylvania. Autumn and Evelyn Collis were reported abducted by Amanda Collis, age 37, white female, 5 foot 7 inches tall, 220 pounds, brown hair, green eyes. Amanda Collis is to be driving a black 1999 Eagle Talon, Maryland registration 9884Z5. Anyone with information about the abduction should immediately contact the police by calling 911. For more information, go to www.twitter.com/PA State Police. This has been an Amber Child Abduction Alert for the Binghamton City Police Department, New York.